We are the cyberspace men.
And women.
And women. Many of you are not taking us seriously and you will be upgraded. Or you will be destroyed. I am robot. Our technology has advanced tenfold. We can now upgrade your dogs and other household pets. Woof woof, I am a dog. Ruff ruff and growl. God, I hate myself. I am robot.
We have even upgraded your beloved Nikki contestant from her reality TV program Big Brother. Who is she? Who is she? Where did you find her, Big Brother? I am so cold. I don't get it.
Yes, that's an out of that, thank you. I am robot. Please shut up. I am robot. I mean it.
Please let me in, Mommy. I'm scared of the ball.
Crap. You require maintenance. You dick. Ending transmission.